An affordable drone with impressive features, the DJI Neo was leaked on an AliExpress store, revealing its prices and specifications. Check out the store links in the pinned comment. Affordable prices for a feature-rich drone. The leaked information shows two price options for the DJI Neo. DJI Neo Drone only, $299. DJI Neo Fly More Combo, $499. The DJI Neo Fly More Combo includes the drone, 2 extra batteries, accessories, and the DJI RCN3 remote control, offering better value for those looking for a complete package. The DJI RCN3 remote control offers versatile flight modes such as normal, sport, and cine. These modes can be easily switched, allowing the pilot to adjust the experience according to the environment and the desired type of recording. Manual mode, available on the FPV controller, disables flight assists, offering full maneuverability for more experienced pilots. It seems that a shoulder bag or a small bag will not be offered as part of this combo. According to the leaked product listing, the DJI Neo has impressive features: camera resolution of 4000 x 3000 pixels, 12 megapixels, quadcopter design with protected propellers, 18 minutes of flight time, lightweight, weighing only 135 grams. The drone's compact size and protected propellers suggest that it may be designed for use both indoors and outdoors, making it versatile for various applications. With its competitive price and feature set, the DJI Neo could potentially revolutionize the entry-level drone market. Although the leak provides exciting details about the DJI Neo, the listing on the German online store indicates that the drone is not immediately available. The product page states this item is not in stock and must be reordered, delivery in approximately 10-14 days, suggesting an imminent official launch, which should take place on September 5th. The leaked DJI Neo represents an exciting development in the consumer drone market. Its affordable price and impressive features could make it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced pilots. This launch is in line with DJI's strategy of offering drones at various price points to cater to different user segments. The potential impact of the DJI Neo on the drone industry is significant, as it may force other manufacturers to reassess their pricing and feature offerings. As we have seen in recent developments in the drone industry, competition drives innovation and benefits consumers. If you are looking for a drone that offers high capture quality, ease of use, and an engaging flight experience, the DJI Neo Fly More Combo will surely meet your expectations. With its combination of advanced features and portable design, this drone is a valuable addition for any drone enthusiast or content creator. What are your opinions on the leaked DJI Neo? Do you think it will shake up the entry-level drone market? Share your opinions in the comments section below.